Karad is the place of two rivers joining together, Koina and Kaveri, and the place of many hills situated together. Today we are going to climb one hill. Its name is Agashu Hills. Welcome to my video. I am Shamnath. Let's climb up Agashu Hill. Hi friends, we are starting the journey. Then this is the forest office. Here we can see the vehicles are parked here, and this hill belongs to a forest. So this is the entrance of that hill. So we are climbing up the hill. In the entrance itself, everything about this hill is mentioned in a board which is arcing shape, and also the board includes the details of who constructed the step and who is maintaining this all the facility. Everything is mentioned in the board. People who don't have experience in climbing the hill should be very careful while climbing the hill, because it increases the heartbeat and it may create the health issues. So while climbing the hill, you should be very careful at the initial stage.
Climbing hill is a very good experience, and the view from top of the hill is very beautiful. So we can enjoy while climbing the hill, and it is very enjoyable places. This Agashu hill belongs to Sahyadri Hill, which is placed along from Goa to Mumbai. We reached almost top of the hills. If we see the view from this area, we can see the view of full entire city. So here the various buildings we can see from here. So at the far end there is a river going. This river is called Koina River, and almost 90% of the water requirement of Karad city is fulfilled by this river, Koina River. You can see at the top there is full black rocky area. So it is a very good experience to see this all. So imagine at the evening with our loved ones, we come here and talking each other and seeing the view from this top of the hill. It is a very good experience. So this is the top of the first hill, and from here through this metallic step we can go up to another hill. So this is the top of the next hill that we reached here. So from here also we can go up to another hill. So at last we reached at the top of the almost all the hill. So this is the view from the peak point of the hill. So it is very good experience here. Really climbing need a very good effort, physical effort. So after climbing the hill, everyone got tired. That's what everyone sitting down and seeing the top view of the hill. It is very good experience. See, entire city we can see from the top of the hill. So see, if you see here, the grass around the hill fully dried off. So in this area rain availability is very good. So at the rainy time, if you come here, you can have a very good greenish experience. If we come down little sideways of the hill, you can see many small rocks which is placed at the top of the hill, and if we can sit on the rock, seeing the top view of the city. So it is a awesome experience and nice to see all this view. You can see a ground there. That ground is of a school. It is a very beautiful ground.
A few time later, the sunset about to happen. When the darkness happen, the city starts its lights up, and in the full glow of the city, it is very incredible to see the view of the city from the top of the hill. We had some photography session here. A couple of photos we have taken sitting on the rock. Photography helped us to memorize these beautiful moments. Yes, here is the wrap up. We are going back. Thank you for watching the video. As normal, please comment, like and subscribe.